Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading Today is 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Sunday morning, making this video about gold. So let's get started. This is the chart I made on September 8th, right? Let's take a look at the current, all-time gold chart, right? So this is I see my Elliott wave count is wave one, two, that's big bracket, right? And then this wave three is underway still. And out of that, wave three have five waves, subwave, right? So this is wave one, two, the small bracket. Then wave three was, and it was, I would say was because I think that we already, have fallen to wave four, and now we are making wave four. So wave three was underway at this time, and I was expecting that this thing is going to drop for wave four. So right now, this is what the current chart is, and this is what the chart I made in September. That's what's going to happen. Once we finish this wave three, we're going to fall for wave four. This is the same count that we have. And at the same time, the weekly chart that I made was like this. So this is the small bracket, and out of that, internal wave counts, so 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 right? So forget about that. This is like wave 1, 2, and wave 3 was still underway, right? So my take was that it might go a little bit more to the upside here, and that's where this wave 3 is going to end. Then we're going to drop for wave four. This is like subwaves of this wave count, one and two, and then three, and then four, and then five. So what happened? You see, this is weekly chart. Again, this is what happened. So one, two, and then this wave three was constantly going to the upside, right? Not budging to the downside at all. Then I finally made this chart on November 15th, and I think that, I was in a hospital at that time when I made this. So I got a chance, then I made it, right? This is a daily chart saying that, okay, this wave three is probably ended here, and now we're going to drop here and then go up there. This is like wave one and then wave two. Now, wave two can be only in wave, one wave like this one, flat, 61%, and then boom, drop. Or it makes a harmonic pattern here, usually like three waves correction with A, B, and C. Right, so that is also always possible, and that's exactly what happened. If you look at the daily chart of this gold, so this is exactly what it did. So this becomes A, then it started to drop, but then again it went up, right? And now I think that this is very close to 78%. But before even touching that, we created a shooting star candlestick formation last week. This is not a weekly chart. This is a daily chart. So that this is the Friday last week, last day, Friday. This is how we ended up. So very strong suggestion that we might be dropping for this area. So it's like A, B, C. It's A, B, and then C or three if it is wave one and two. Right? That's now weekly chart. This is what it is. This is small correction. Here's A and then A, B, C. I'm showing B, right? So this may be dropping here, then going to the upside. And now, like I said, the wave four is always a very complex and dangerous correction, and then it's a lot of wobbling here. Like if oftentimes it ends up like a triangle. So A, B, C, D, E, and then multiple complex correction comes like a triangle, and then a flat, and a triangle. Anything can happen, right? On and on and on and on and on. Wave four. So need to be very careful. So this is what my current chart is. That this is the daily chart that we have one array, two or B, and if we can stay below these highs, then regard this reversal area between 61 and 78, then we can drop. In the last day of the last week, candle is suggesting that we might be dropping when the market opens up. So let's see what happened, right? And this is, let me see if I finish that. This is the chart I made. And then after that, I made this chart that this TL may stop it, but nope, it went up even more higher and then ended up like this. This is the chart I recorded today. I remember the 7th November is the day that I went to the hospital and got stuck there for almost like 25 days in a row. So, but now, oh, thank God that I'm back. My wife is back, but still she need to go back and take out those stitches and all of that. So she's under a heavy surveillance. So nurses are coming at home, and antibiotic and this and that, and a lot of things are going on, and I have to attend her all the time. So anyway, and in the meantime, I'm gonna start making videos again of different things. This is the gold video, and then maybe after in the afternoon, I'll make for US dollar index to see where the US dollar pairs are going to go. Possibly, right? So this is my take for gold, and let me see if I have a smaller time frame that shows anything at all positive. For example, 4 hour chart, you can see that this is how this is. See, yes, okay, A, one or A, and then A, B, C correction. That's how I see it. Now, the only danger that I see that it may go up a little bit more to uh, this 78% touching that is if you look at very closely this wave C, A, B, and forget about this. If we consider that this is wave 1 and then A, B, C wave 2, and this is A, B, then C comes in 5 waves normally, and you can see very clearly that this is wave 1. Let me remove this here. This is 1, this is wave 2, right? A, B, C, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's wave 3, and then this is A, B, C, B, and then C coming down. Maybe it will come down a little bit. That would be maybe wave 4. If it's wave 4, then what can happen is it can go up again for wave 5 to 78% to hit this area. Come down here, that would be wave 4 ending sideways. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little push to the this level, or maybe this 88%. That would be wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's C. So A, B, C correction for wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, or A, B, and then C, then we will come down. So there is a chance that we go up according to the smaller time frame Elliott wave count. You see that this is 1, A, B, C, 2. It's probably exactly 78% retracement. Yeah, see? 78% retracement, then this should be 1.618. So is it? Let's take a look. For wave 3, it need to be 1.618, right? See that? Magic? 161%. Then this should be 38% in 3 waves. So this is A, then A, B, C, B, and then C. Is it 38%? Let's take a look. Or it's about to hit 38% of wave 3. So you can see that. That is the magic of Elliott wave. So we already hit this wave A, 38%. Then we have B very close to the high, but not going above. So C could be here at 38% or a little bit below this, or maybe equal, A, B, C, sideways correction. And then we will jump to hit this 78%. That would be wave 5, ending wave C. And after that, we can drop. Right? So right now it's dropping. It may drop all the way, who knows? But this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is more likely to happen, right? So it's gonna drop a little bit, then go up again for 78%, and then probably gonna drop big time. So I will keep an eye on it now because I'm home, and hopefully this week I'll be watching. I have all my computers on now, up and ready. And then I'll be watching. Alarms are up and ready also, and my ears and all of that, right? So I'll keep you guys posted on the Telegram, as well as keep making the videos for everybody else, right? So we take it from there, right? So have a very, very good last day of the weekend, which is Sunday today, and then we will get back to work this evening. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful Sunday. And then we will have a Manic Monday, right? Okay. All right, bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Okay, stop recording.